In the quiet stillness of the dawn, as the world awakens, there arises a gentle whisper, a timeless truth that echoes through the ages. It speaks of unity, of the eternal bond that ties all of existence together. It is a truth that resides within each of us, waiting patiently to be remembered. Today, let us embark on a journey inward, guided by the sacred wisdom of the Upanishads, to discover the profound realization that you and the universe are one. The Upanishads are the silent voices of sages who looked beyond the surface of life, beyond the fleeting forms and transient phenomena. They delved deep into the essence of being, seeking the eternal truth that underpins all existence. Their teachings are not distant or disconnected. They are a gentle reminder, a call to awaken from the illusion of separateness. In the stillness of their reflection, they discovered a fundamental unity, that the self, the Atman, is not separate from Brahman, the infinite reality. This realization is the heart of their message, Tat Tvam Asi, that thou art. It is an affirmation, a sacred revelation that within you resides the vastness of the universe itself. Imagine a vast ocean, deep and endless. Within it, countless waves rise and fall, each seemingly separate, yet all part of the same water. Similarly, within each of us dwells the Atman, an unchanging, eternal presence that is the very essence of our being. It is unmanifested, pure consciousness, beyond birth and death, beyond time and space. The Upanishads teach us that this self is not limited by the body or mind. It is the silent witness, the unchanging awareness that observes all phenomena. When the mind becomes still, a gentle pause in the constant chatter, this truth reveals itself. You are that, the infinite, the eternal, the divine. The world often appears fragmented, divided into mine and yours, here and there, self and other. But these distinctions are born of illusion, Maya, that veils the true unity. The sages understood that all forms are transient, like ripples on a pond, but beneath these ripples lies the still, unchanging water. When we recognize this, something shifts deep within. The sense of separation dissolves, replaced by a profound sense of connection. Every being, every leaf, every star are expressions of the same divine essence. This awakening is not an event outside us. It is a gentle unfolding within. It is the realization that you are that, not just as a philosophical notion, but as a living truth, an experience that transforms your perception of reality. Living in awareness of oneness alters the way we see the world. Compassion flows naturally when we understand that hurting another is akin to hurting ourselves, because at the core, we are one. The realization of unity fosters kindness, patience, and peace. In every interaction, whether in silence or speech, we have the opportunity to remember. This person, this moment, this experience, all are expressions of the divine. The Upanishads encourage us to see beyond the surface, to look inward and recognize the divine presence within. When we do so, our actions become rooted in love, our words in truth, and our hearts in peace. The path to realizing that thou art is a gentle inward journey. It is a practice of self-inquiry, asking oneself, who am I? Beyond the roles, identities, and stories lies the pure awareness that witnesses all. Meditation, contemplation, and mindful awareness are the tools that help quiet the mind and open the heart. In silence, the layers of illusion peel away, revealing the vast, boundless self that is always present. Every moment holds the potential for awakening. When you pause, breathe, and observe without judgment, you create space for the divine to emerge within. This is the true purpose of spiritual practice, to realize that the divine is not outside us but inherent in our very being. In recent times, science echoes the ancient wisdom of the sages. Quantum physics reveals a universe interconnected at a fundamental level, where particles are entangled beyond space and time. It shows us that separateness is an illusion, a perceptual construct. The universe, at its core, is a vast web of interconnected energy and consciousness. This resonates with the Upanishadic teaching that all is one, an indivisible whole. As the sages understood millennia ago, the divine pervades everything, and nothing exists outside of this sacred unity. To live with this awareness is to live with a gentle grace. It is to accept life's ups and downs with equanimity, knowing that beneath the changing surface lies the unchanging reality. When challenges arise, remember, they are part of the play Maya that helps us learn and grow. The real essence remains untouched, eternal, and peaceful. Let this truth be a guiding light, a steady presence amid the storms of the world. Recognize that your true nature is vast and infinite, calm and luminous, always available for you to remember. Within each of us lies the seed of awakening, the spark of divine consciousness. Nurture this spark with love, gratitude, and silence. As you do, it grows into a radiant flame that illuminates your entire being. The Upanishads teach us that the journey inward is the greatest adventure, a return to the source of all creation. Every step taken in awareness brings us closer to realizing that we are not separate from the universe but an integral part of its eternal dance. As you walk your path, remember this truth. You are the universe expressing itself as a unique, divine being. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions ripple through the fabric of existence. Embrace your divine nature with gentle humility and profound love. Allow this realization to guide your days, your relationships, and your purpose. In the stillness, in the silence, in the gentle breath, there lies the eternal truth. You are that. May this awareness settle deep within your heart. May you walk through life with calmness, inspired by the knowledge that the divine dwells within you and all around. Remember, the greatest journey is the inward voyage, returning to the sacred unity that is your true nature. You are the universe, calm, infinite, and eternal. And in this truth, you find your peace.